What is typography? Typography is basically the style of text, how text looks, and what impression it makes when you look at it. Typography decides what you read first and what is more or less important. It also gives a personality to the otherwise boring text. So let's get into the amazing world of typography. You've probably heard font names like serif or sans serif. I'll explain to you what those terms actually mean. Serif fonts have little strokes attached to the end of every single character. They have a classic appearance and they work well for more traditional projects. That's why they're commonly used in books, newspapers, and magazines. Sans serif fonts don't have those strokes, that's why they look more modern. Because of their clean look, they work well for everything that gets displayed on a screen, so you will often see them used on websites or online advertisements. And then there are display fonts. They are very decorative and good for attention-grabbing titles, but do definitely not use them to write long text, because they are hardly readable and they can overload everything pretty quickly. So it's important that they exist, but you should use them very carefully. There are literally millions of fonts out there, but now you know on what base they are created and when to use them. Every font has its own language, so be cautious and maybe take a second look on the font you used in your project before you finish. It helps a lot.